Hey, and welcome to module 2.2, connect your Facebook pages or Facebook fan pages. And it's in this video you're going to discover how to connect your Facebook fan pages to Clever Messenger. Now, without further ado, let's get started right away. And just like that, we are inside Clever Messenger. And in this step, we are going to connect our Facebook account as well as our Facebook page we are going to use for this particular training. And all I need to do is basically click on Create Bot right here, continue as myself, and this redirects us to Facebook right here, where I can continue as myself as well. Now do note that if this is your first time, you do need to specify some other settings right there in Facebook itself. Mainly which pages you would like Clever Messenger to get access to, as well as some other details, but that's pretty straightforward, and that's why it's not covered in this training. Now let's just go and search for the page we would like to use. So let's go for Clever Messenger training. There we go. And simply click on the connect button right here. This connects this specific page, Clever Messenger training, to Clever Messenger, and this will redirect us to the page level or bot level. And there we go. So right now we have connected the page Clever Messenger Training with the username Clever Messenger Training 101 to Clever Messenger. Now this is the bot we are going to use throughout the entire training. As you can see, connecting your Facebook account and Facebook page is quite easy. A matter of fact, it's so easy that we already marked this step as done for you. And the first thing we are going to do next is setting up a greeting text, and this will be shown in the next video.